Hey guys, it's nighttime. I'm in Singapore. It's my first time, and I decided to take you out to dinner because I don't have any better ideas. So, let's leave this building, which is quite fancy, by the way, and let's find something interesting to eat. Come with me. So I ended up finding a place where you can make your own soup. And I added so many random stuff. But I swear to you, it tastes good. The base is mushrooms and I added some beef. Interesting combination. This is some kind of a mushroom as well. Very good actually. I'm having a soy drink with it, which is good because it's a bit spicy and it neutralizes it. Oh, I just noticed the camera might die, and I'm not sure if I'm carrying the extra battery. So this one might be a short one, guys, sorry. I'm loving it in Singapore so far. Sometimes you gotta walk quite a lot, which is good in general, but the transportation overall is amazing. It's very well developed, modern, fast, convenient. Yeah, probably one of the best public transport systems I have ever seen in the world. I think it even beats the one in London. You know, I'm a public transport and subway freak. So Singapore is really for me. I'm like a little kid just jumping from one station to another. It's so much fun. Let's have some more from this soya thing. It's very good. So different from the ones that they sell at home. I love walking alone in a new place at night. Such a vibe. Let's see if I can find our place without internet, because currently I don't have any. Here we go, guys. This is our place. Okay, guys, I got back. It's very late, but I'm safe and sound. So I'm gonna let you go now. but we are gonna see each other in the next video. Take care, guys. Bye bye.